To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your 650 Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat and level surface. Remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Then, lift the hood up slightly, disconnect the 7S display connector, and remove from the sled. Now, using the Torx tool end of the spark plug wrench, remove the bolts retaining the load center. Next, carefully unclip the retention clips from the radiator hoses and rotate the load center away from the radiator. Then, remove the spark plug leads. Note: air intake removed for visual purposes. Clean the plug area so no debris can fall into the engine when the plug is removed. Now, using the spark plug wrench provided in the toolkit, remove the spark plugs by rotating it counterclockwise. Tip: if you're using the spark plugs, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup, and verify there are no cracks around the insulator. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Next, inspect the spark plugs for the correct color. A light brown/dark tan color indicates the engine is running properly. If the spark plug electrode insulator tip is white, the engine may be running lean. Inspect the engine, throttle body boots, etc. for air leaks. If the spark plug electrode insulator is black, oily, or shows heavy soot, the engine may be running rich. Inspect the engine, fuel system, and lubrication system for problems. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gaps if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, carefully install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the spark plug caps. Then, reconnect the spark plug caps on the spark plugs and ensure they are secure. Now, reinstall the load center back onto the radiator and reconnect the clips to the radiator hoses. Then, place a spark plug wrench back into the holder. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the front tabs are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the 7S display connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, turn the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Finally, in a well-ventilated area, start the vehicle to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.